HTML5 and CSS tutorials for beginners, paragraph tags, divs, and BR line breaks. That's what we're going to cover in this video session. I'm going to continue working on this index.html to teach you on continual basis, because everything at the end will make better sense and you'll have that knowledge much better than almost 99% of web developers who are beginning to learn HTML5 if they are not learning from Rankia. Now, that sounds rather silly, right? But you know, web development is not about just placing few HTML tags here and there, as you will discover at the end of this course that I'm creating for you. So div is just div. It's just a division. Think of it as like that. What goes into div? Anything can go within a div. I could have easily placed an article. Let me do this, because then it'll... Okay. If you're using Dreamweaver, these are extra tips and tricks for you. You can utilize wrap tag to quickly wrap a tag. So now I've just wrapped an article within a div. Right? Now, looking at that, I actually wouldn't use that along those lines, because your ability to style web documents is critical. You could easily create a pure HTML5 website without using, you know, divs, which are rather a bit outdated in today's technology. But nonetheless, think of div as a division. You are dividing something on the web page. Let's say, what can we say? Divisions of blocks. Let me close that div tag. Now, because I've placed some text within div, let me actually wrap this up within p element as well, paragraph element. It's just common sense and named logically. Paragraph is just paragraph. Just text would go in a paragraph. That doesn't mean we can't insert other stuff in it. And let's do this. Let's save this document. Let's preview it in the browser. Okay, we've got. Let's request index.html. Now, divisions of block is there. Let's do this. Let's say I want to have this on a new line. I don't want to confuse you, but you know, once upon a time people use typewriters, for example, right? So now I can say br, put a /, close that. Actually, let me make it like so. And let me put that here, because I want this text to be one below. First, I'll show you the difference if I don't use that BR, break line tag. Now let me put that BR, let me break that line. Save this document. Now what I've just said to HTML processor, when you come to this point of rendering the web document, break line, just like the typewriter, break line, and go into next line. So divisions are that you're dividing blocks. Paragraphs, you can have textual information, you can have images, list elements, tables, anything that you want. And you can break line by using the BR tag. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.